What's going on, guys? Marcus Art here, and we're on coinmarketcap.com, and I'm showing you what's the market cap currently right now with the cryptocurrencies. This is where you can find all the cryptocurrencies, right? So market cap is currently at $129.9 billion. 24-hour volume is $22.6 billion with the BTC dominance, which is Bitcoin dominance, which pretty much control half of the market, which is at 52.1%, right? So this video is about how to create your watch list for cryptocurrencies 2019. There's no videos out there on how to create a watch list for cryptocurrencies, but there's a lot of videos out there on YouTube about how to create a watch list for stocks and bonds and forex and all those things, right? But not for crypto. So I'm your guy to do it. So as we go to TradingView, right, we're going to use CoinMarketCap. Just for you guys that's beginners and want to get started on how to create your watch list. So TradingView is a free site to use. You don't have to pay anything. It's free, but if you use the free version, you're going to have ads that's popping up on your screen. So just give you a heads up. But if you want to use the 30-day free trial, you definitely can use that, which is the GoPro version, which is the top of the line version. I believe I'm using the basic version, and it's free, like I said. So as you guys can see here, this is my watch list. So I currently have BTC USD, Ethereum, XRP, and Tron. All right, that's my top 4 watch list, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and exit that out, and we're gonna start from scratch, right? So these are the markets. So when you log in or create your account, you're gonna have to create your account to create your watch list. Like I said, it's free, so I definitely recommend you use it and create one so you can watch the charts as well, because I do my chartings on TradingView.com. So the best way to do this is use this ticker symbol over here where it says, which is pretty much the search bar, and we're going to type in BTC, right? That's the ticker symbol for Bitcoin, and then the exchange I'm gonna use to watch this is, there's different ones, right? BTC up here, which is Coinbase, and then BTC USD shorts, people shorting the Bitcoin markets for Bitfinex. Then you got different ones here, so I recommend you guys use the same one. Usually Binance is good, Bitcoin and Tether, which is USD Tether, which is pretty much the dollar, right? It's the same, right? Bitcoin dollar and Bitcoin Tether right here, right? So I will use Bitfinex. Bitfinex is pretty good as far as like on the charts, getting the data, pretty good, strong data. So I'm gonna go ahead and select on that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and select full feature chart, right? So click on that. I'm gonna exit out of this TRX right here. So it's going to give you another pop-up window. So it's loading up now. So let's give it time to fire up here. So as you guys can see here, these yellow markings, these is pretty much my support and resistance lines. So let me see if I can remove these things for you guys, so I can make it easier to see. And I can always add it back here, so it's not a big deal for me. It's just support and resistance lines. It's really simple. So now you guys can see a clearer version of the Bitcoin chart. I'm gonna just use that support there, those two ones there. So this pretty much buy zones for Bitcoin. So I want to add this to my watch list, right? Bitcoin is, I believe Bitcoin is going to go to the moon, or Bitcoin is going to increase in value in the next few months, or whatever the case, right? That's my own personal opinion. So I'm going to go to watch list here, right? It says add symbol. So I'm going to add BTC, pretty much the same thing that we just did. I'm going to look for BTC USD, which is Bitfinex, right? And then I'm going to select it. So Bitcoin's added to my watch list. Simple. So the next watch list, the next cryptocurrency I'm gonna add to my watch list is Ethereum, right? It's best, if you're new to cryptocurrency, it's best for you to stick with the top 10. I definitely recommend you start with the top 10, because there's thousands of different cryptocurrencies, and you can just get confused, right? So it's best for you to do your research on all of them. Start with the most reputable ones that everybody knows about and talks about. And like you can see, the top 10: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, EOS, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, which is the cryptocurrency in dollars, right? It never goes up or down too much. It stays at the dollar mark. Then you have Stellar, Binance, and Tron, right? So in my watch list here, I'm gonna add Bitcoin, right? I can add all 10 if I want to, right? If I want to, but I'm not gonna do that, right? I just want to focus on the select few. I believe the lower the number, the better, right? You don't want to have watching all these different cryptocurrencies, right? If that's the case, you might as well just climb the Coinbase, not Coinbase, but coin market cap. So Bitcoin, right? Then I'm gonna add Ethereum, and then I'm gonna add XRP, and then I'm gonna add Tron, right? Those are my top 4. I might even add Stellar, right? Let's add Stellar as well. So got Ethereum. So as you guys can see here, I have an ad here because I'm using a free version, so I'm gonna just X out of those. So ETH for Ethereum and USD. I'm gonna look. So this is a Kraken exchange. I don't want to use that one. I want to keep it with the same information, right? So Ethereum and dollar, right? Bitfinex right there. So that's added. So and then we got what we got next? XRP. So USD dollar. So we have Bitstamp. Then we have XRP dollar, Bitfinex, right? Let's keep it with the same exchange there. So what else we have? Then we have, so that's 3, and then we have Stellar, right? Stellar. That's another one we're going to add to the list here. So Stellar USD coin. So I'm looking for Bitfinex here. Sometimes as well, you're not going to see that exchange on here listed. So Stellar don't have Bitfinex as an exchange here. So the next best one is to use Binance, in my opinion. So Stellar right here, Binance. I could use this one, but I'm just used to dollar, right? So I'm gonna just use this one, right? Stellar USD dollar calculated by TradingView and Binance. So I'm just go ahead and select that one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and select my last one, which is my favorite cryptocurrency, Tron, right? So Tron has an exchange for Bitfinex, so I'm gonna use this one as a dollar. So that's pretty much my watch list so far, my cryptocurrency. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is BTC. So if I want to change my charts, right, I'm gonna go click on Ethereum USD. I can see the charts for Ethereum for daily time frame, XRP USD daily time frame here. As you guys see here, I have support line here. Stellar XLM. I have it on my chart here, the daily chart, and then I have Tron, right, on my daily chart here for the 1 day. So as you guys can see it here. So that's how you create your watch list for cryptocurrencies. It's really simple. Like I said, and also as you guys can see this in dark, you guys are probably saying like, man, this is too hard to see. How you turn the lights on. So you see this picture here, so I'm just click on this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and change the dark color thing to a light version, right? Turn on the lights, right? So I have the lights on now. So it's probably going to help you guys a lot better for you guys to see. Definitely, when I started cryptocurrencies, I used the light version, right? I didn't use dark because it was just hard for me to see and for me to understand, right? I want to see everything, what options that I have available. So just to throw that out there. So yeah, so if you guys want to, definitely, I'm gonna have the link below so you guys can sign up for TradingView. It's free. Go to CoinMarketCap to see keep track of the market cap as a whole as well. And Binance is the exchange that I use to do all my trading as far as altcoins and things of that nature. So definitely use my link so you guys could go to a reputable Binance link, right? There's a lot of phishing sites out there, so I'm gonna leave my link below so you guys can have access to it.